Humans, welcome back. So glad you're here. So glad you could make it. We're talking about percent change. Not going to be a very long video. Let's see. Percent change is equal to the increase or decrease divided by the original number. Now, some people represent percent change shorthand like this. Here's your percent change is equal to the new number. If you find the difference between the new and the original, that's going to be your increase or your decrease. And that idea, when you find that difference, is going to be divided by the original number. Pretty easy. Let's do an example. So, you've got a number, 50, and then it changes to 60. What is the percent change from 50 to 60? By what percent did 50 change to then become 60? Well, to find percent change, all you have to do is take the new, which is 60, subtract the old, and divide the original. The original is 50. On top, you see that there's a change of 10 over that 50. When you divide these two numbers, 1/5 is the same as 0.20. If you change this decimal to a percent, you get 20%. Pretty easy. What I think to be a little bit harder, but not really though, is when you take a number and you increase by a certain percentage. So, here's how you do it. If you've got 40 and you want to increase 40 by 15%, there's two schools of thought. Either you want to take 40 and then increase by whatever 15% of 40 is. To find a percentage of a number, all you have to do is multiply the percentage times the number. So that's how you can do it. There's method 1. Method 2 says, we don't want just 100% of 40, we want 100% and an extra 15%. So when you multiply here, again changing these percents to decimals, this is 1 and this is 0.15. So it looks like you're multiplying 40 by 1.15. So above it's 40 plus whatever that idea is, which happens to be 6 today. So answer 46. And know that when you multiply 40 times 1.15, you guessed it, you get 46. So whatever you feel more comfortable thinking about, either you have the original number and you increase, be careful, if I said decrease, this would change to a subtraction sign. So you have 40 and you increase by that 15%. To find out what 15% of 40 is, you just take 40 and you multiply the percent as a decimal though. So be sure that's a decimal. And if you wanted to do it the other way, instead of having just a regular 100% of 40, you want to add or increase by 15%. If you wanted to decrease by 15%, guess what? This would become a subtraction sign. Good luck exploring mathematics, humans. Toodles.